by the president acting in accordance with the recommendations of the five-member committee set up to probe allegations against her?
Thank you very much, Ayrton. I'll say I'm sad but not surprised. I'm sad because this is an unholy assault on the independence of the judiciary. This has a far-reaching consequence moving into the future. This goes to buttress the point that whoever sits in as a Chief Justice from today should also be thinking about the future implications.
Even if there's no case of stated misbehavior against that person?
I'll be coming there. If you sit in that office, the possibility of flimsy petitions being used to remove you is very high. That's what I'm talking about. And I'm not surprised because this one is in fulfillment of a campaign promise. This is a clear case where a political actor before elections campaigned on the promise to remove a Chief Justice. Upon assuming office, had some people filing petitions for the removal, and today the result. That's what I'm saying. I'm sad, but not surprised.
Right. This is your initial comments. I'll come back to you as we digest the matters before us. But let me bring in former Director General of the Ghana School of Law, Kwaku Ansah-Sarr. Ms. Ansah-Sarr, the statement that is coming in from the Jubilee House indicates that President Mahama is only acting on the recommendation. This year, President is only a conveyor belt as far as this matter is concerned. But what is your own reading into what we have just been told, the removal of the Chief Justice?
Thank you very much and good afternoon. I expected this, outcome. But the verdict is in accordance with the recommendation of the CJ removal committee. If you look at Article 1466, it sets out the parameters, and 1467 says that the committee shall inquire into the petition and recommend to the president whether the Chief Justice ought to be removed from office. And therefore, positively, one can predict, one outcome, that is the removal of the Chief Justice. And once the committee recommends the removal of the Chief Justice, the president has no choice but to perform his constitutional obligation to remove the Chief Justice. There is no alternative. He cannot do otherwise. Now, I think, and I should like, to caution that the swiftness which the president has acted upon the recommendation of the committee should not be misconstrued into, suggesting that it was a foregone conclusion. We all know that the president made a campaign promise, to reset the agenda. But it doesn't actually mean, therefore, that the president had a mindset to remove, the sitting Chief Justice or incumbent Chief Justice, and for that matter, as my friend just pointed out, anyone coming into the seat should also, be ready to receive the sack. I don't think, that is what His Excellency the President, is out to. I have had, my problem, with this particular inquiry, in the sense that the Chief Justice did not, give herself any chance whatsoever, to be heard appropriately. I mean, the confrontational, attitude that she took, made it impossible for her to return, to resume her official duties. She was so abrasive, taking, the government here, government there, going to ECOWAS, this, simple constitutional matter of cooperating with the committee, so that at the end of the day, we'll all, be leading witnesses, as to whether the
private jet and honeymoon near fine mammy and nunca ho and jatamwa ma just my kenny can say moon could you trantron can't say Ghana a 24-hour economy near founding 2 flowers so my market will be good and good town send the flower boy and family $50 million and only flowers in our band. Oh, mamma. Flower makes my Jubilee house of a fuck touch me ball. Watch now. So, who flowers in the by Sunday, send me who. My boy Roberts, far flower got touch me ball. Who solia is a moon, is a moon. That's when you got Fagana Fawful. Then the bed now, can the Japan in our presidency. Brand Champo. What's it, Dr. Baumia? Ekauna. Some questions, some needs some phenomenal cousin Dr. Baumia, a failure anyway. Brian, 2019, me say 2019-2020 elections anymore. The Voice, me see a Boma Facebook, Felix, Dede, Casa. Instead, see a beton NPP, ye Jumano. Ye defended Brian. What do you matter? Watching Cophobia Sassy walk. So you could see, I feel so. Oh no, every year be a better and any business skills. Ni business acumen, ni business entrepreneurship. Solid this a bear man who oba. Now instead, see a bed defending, ye be propagating any Maya, near defending Bray Champo. Na Kofia Duma Jackson or one when Jackson ya were upon we a brand here from Mike. I come mammy, you know, and put with a mammy Kofi can't drop. No more cast here NPP. Near me say the Voice, ye defenders are and ya nukre near Chirechiremu. Yet say answer Bray Champo. What of a show when you get binadi would you set it up a ye papa Kandapa. Kandapa, so John Obama. What is just what was Obefa? Na ma papa penimu. Abone bra na cha papa betimi awo na ma sha wo form papa yi etwa ne ho ti se aboduyaba na gawe esuko no ma gawe e video a whole national security minister national security dey be
but send there allegation no
enya allegation no
allegation because market women ne kasa market phone ne kasa pacho market phone ne kasa
omo evidence omo mra me see
market phone ne kasa
the Voice me person me kire me chi bebre ntina ma yedi
ba market phone ne kasa ne so market women ne kasa 17 years
ye can the pan fan free wo ni e fa wo mra
of course
yes
you like
of
it
course.
Of course
Of course papa penimu no waye mo bo na ayi wo person na do ko na do you ko sha agrika obi sase no akoje ye defend wi nyame ye ya edi ye ho afofie na 2020 ye wi ni ye 2024 do ya wo business skills ni entrepreneurship na sa ba biem e na akoko top ayi property de be state properties enti wo ye e ba no sa makokwe report na number 3 wo state capture no wo di na wo ho wo din e na wo ho Brand Champo, Sanya Mammy and Sama catcher. Catcher me say, and I'm NPP and young popular now. And your impact be our NPP swana. No be job a catcher say, Doctor Yaman Pussy in Tina, ye Lucy and I say a PC winner. Hey, Brand Champo, for a function, she nice as you wire trash what I say. Ye more mino. Ye near brewate. Ye near break. Why are you to Chumsa Sudan, Niate? Would you must and some funkwa and some funkwa Doctor Uncle Sentino? Move so bia or your walk over on. Somebody no catch them when Muti on. As some more catch them what come with your badging bar and I'll bet me at here. What come as some was someone you be we a tap or the way of fool. I don't know, yes, sir.
He never says so. He never says so.
Papa, wait.